I hope we are live right now. Just give me a second to see if we are or not, and if I can hear myself. Okay, I think this one's better now. Mic check. Let's go, guys. Good morning. Good morning. There have been few things running up right now this morning, but we are not looking at almost anything right now. See, I don't know what's the thing. It's one. Yesterday, Thursday was like market was closed, and sorry, yesterday was Thursday, market was closed, and today is Friday. So obviously it will be slow. Market will be slow, and literally 7 a.m. there's almost about one or two news PR, right? So not much going on right now in here, and just I'm chilling out. And anyways, I was here about 10 before 7, and it's already 10 after 7. So it's been 20 minutes I'm sitting here, which I'm just looking around and did not trade anything. I'm not here to trade anything today. I'm just here to, go live and tell you guys what I have understood in this week. See, this week I tried to trade Monday, Tuesdays, and it just went nothing. And then Tuesday, for Wednesday, I was not trading. Thursday was off, and when the market was closed on Thursday, that is yesterday, I made some notes. I made some notes to understand what I have been doing wrong, because I keep on watching videos around spirituality, good good faith and all that stuff, and I just keep on understanding myself, and I also make reels around these kind of topics into self improvement, focus, discipline, motivation, and everything around that. So I'm a content creator as well, and I have been doing 8 things all around, including my studies and my trading, right? So which I mentioned you, like, I think in few of my previous live streams. So I mean, I hope no one is watching these live streams. I was just looking at it, and one of the live stream that is just around 11 minutes, and I got 41 views. Bro, don't you guys watch my live streams? Okay, it's not supposed to, it is not meant to watch for you guys. It's just for me to understand everything. It's for me to talk with someone, at least, so that I can be more disciplined and understand what I see on the chart and be confident of what I'm seeing on the chart, and uh, acting on that, not just going into random trades. So yeah, from that I remember, I got reminded that, one, I might speak in any language, in my native language. Sometimes in my live streams, I won't care about the. Oh, wait. Oh, I won't care about. I won't care about what language I am speaking. I won't care about what I'm showing on my screen, because sometimes I'm showing the Discord I am working on, right? So, like, you guys can see, it's Trend Analytics server. I am in this server, right? Uh, you guys can see right now we have Trend Analytics pre-market show going on, the Tux and Frankie. I will speak out all of those things. Who am I? Who I follow? PBT alerts. He is on 2 weeks. He is on 2 weeks off right now. He has been to Italy, Rome, and all that stuff. And so we are, you know, here, which I like. I also wiped out my accounts and all that stuff. But these live streams are not meant to watch. You guys don't watch it, because I'm showing my Discord channels, and I'm pretty sure they might not have any issues when I show these things. I'm not even famous, I'm not nothing, I'm still in learning phase. And being honest with you guys, just I have nothing to hide here. Sometimes I even speak in my language to understand what I see on the charts. Sometimes I just, keep on ranting about nothing, or maybe I just, because I have figured out that I don't have to focus on getting better on live streams. I don't have to focus on making money. I don't have to focus on the end result. From Krishna's teachings, I read Hanuman Chalisa and Bhagavad Gita. From Krishna's teachings and reading Hanuman Chalisa almost every day, I have understood that I don't have to focus on the end result, at least right now. I have to, focus on the processes. I have to focus on the systems. And one more thing, I got distracted always. That's because my prop form. If you have seen that I trade my prop firm a lot of times, this one, trade the pool, right? Now they have hell lot of tight rules, and I'm not that kind of trader. I'm just not fucking that kind of trader. They have so fucking tight rules, and it's just not even worth for me to even pass a challenge, right? Now I know, okay, I understood. I took a whole lot of break after wiping out 7 accounts, but then I came back, took three more. So now I have wiped out 10 accounts, 10 evaluation accounts on there, and I think one of the account was like big, like $500, right? And other 9 or 10 were like about $100, about 100, something, right? So if I even calculate minimum, I have spent over $1,500 on just trying to pass that shit, bro. That's just not. That's bullshit, bro. That is bullshit. One, that prop firm have so many already funded traders, and they just don't want me, right? So they will keep on making tighter rules now and then, to just just people will be coming there just to waste their money. And I'm not that kind of trader. That's what I mean to say. They are not bad. They are giving payouts to everyone and all that shit. I don't know. I have never gotten payout, because I've never passed an evaluation. So just fuck it. I always kept on waiting for 10 cents. I always kept on waiting for, like, because every trade I take, every buy or sell, I spend 75 cents. And if I go in so small size that $1 move will give me $2 of profit, then I will keep on waiting for that one whole fucking dollar, right? So all of my trading decisions were taken by that. Maybe I have to wait 60 seconds for that trade to close. Maybe I have to wait 10 cents for it to go up. Maybe I have to wait $1 to go up. At least, all those things, my decisions were made based on what I see, what were my rules on the prop firm, not based on what I see on the chart, not based on my, analysis, not based on what the patterns I have been looking at, all those things which I need to follow. So I finally fucking understood that right now it's month of June. It's 20 June, 20th of June, and I still have like half a year. From the starting of the June, I told myself that I am giving all these 6 months to not make money, not a single penny. I might keep on spending money in my membership and all that stuff, which is fine. But I will not put money anything into, real trading. And I don't have anything right now. So I'm not even going for evaluation, prop firms. I'm not going for my real money trading. All I am going for paper trading and understanding what am I looking for in the charts. I know all of those things. I keep on telling you guys when I look at the charts, right? This is stuff, and whatever this shit. I keep on looking at the charts. I know what I have to see: volume rotation, the EMAs, the bottom indicators. There are 200 things I have to look for PR news and understand every single thing. So most of the time I will play breakout plays. Sometimes I will go for dip buys. Now I understand that sometimes when I play Frankie or TDN or Joyful, these are dip buyers, okay? And they are like nice ones. Not always, they always don't work. Obviously, no one has 100% accuracy, but most of the time they are nice plays. So, what I want to do is I want to play a small size. Start with the starter size and go until small size. With PBT, I will start with starter size, maybe add up to the small size, and if it looks good to me, I will go regular size as well. Now, I will tell you, my regular size is 100 bucks, 100 shares, sorry. Almost every time, I will be able to buy my regular size. That is max, okay? I cannot just buy in regular size. I have to start with the starter size only. So regular size is 100 shares. Got it? My small size is 50% of its, that is what I call 50 shares. My starter size is not 25 shares. I would say it is 15 shares. That's because I want to add on dips sometimes. Okay, when I play breakout, I have to start with my starter size 15 shares. If it keeps on going up, I will scale out. It's fine, right? I will scale out. But when I have so much good conviction that this shit is going to go, PBT is calling out, and it has everything nice, holding up very steadily, bouncing off of 2 may wave up and then going for a breakout. And if I see it looks good, if I see PBT is playing it, even and if I see uh, uh, PBT is confident about playing that thing, then I will start with small size, which is 50 shares. If not, I will start with starter size, 15 shares. Hope you get that. And my lotto size will always be 5 shares. Lotto size will always be 5 shares, at least for now, at least for what I'm until that phase where I'm doing my paper trading, right? Which is like about 6 I'll be doing paper trading completely to understand what I see on the chart and only play on. See, right now the goal is not to make money. I'm very clear on that. So why did I even try to pass the prop firms or try to make money out of it? It's just spent more money into that. So fuck it, bro. So now I'm doing paper trading. I will be trading on this screen. This is my side screen. My main screen is here right now. If you can see this, this is the big monitor. If you can see, guys, here. Okay. I have my one tablet. I have my other one. Okay, so this one's big. This one's a smaller tablet. It's an iPad. So I have my two screens here, one screen on here, and one screen on here. Most of the time, I have my trading view open here, and I will be doing paper trades on this screen, on my side screen. I am looking at this, I am analyzing everything, I am looking at the PR news, everything in here. I will be keep on screen sharing my shit. Okay, so when I screen share my thing, you will be able to see my Discord, you will be able to see what I am researching, you will be able to see the PR news I am reading. So always read my description that I am not a financial advisor, I am not even teaching you anything, I am not even showing any of my things on, you know, on any of the platforms which I don't want to. And even if you see it on YouTube, it's not me, it's all them. I am still in learning phase. I'm not giving you any kind of financial advice. Don't even look at my live trades, bro. I have been telling you guys, don't even watch my live trades, guys. It's for myself, bro. Let me be fucking profitable first. Yes, if you are watching this video after about I think 5 years, it's 2025 right now. Just telling you, about 5 years later, then okay, maybe I have few people in my Discord, you know, trying to learn from me. But bro, right now I'm learning. I'm in my learning phase, and I'm grateful of the Discord I'm grateful of the people I have been learning from, and it's just so good going right now because it's been 1.5 year I have been learning this shit. And just half a year ago, I literally spent my savings account, bro. I literally, I won't say spent, I literally wiped out my account. And that too in bullshit, Ross thing. I have no fucking fear of speaking anyone's name on my channels, bro. No one is watching it, so fuck it. Ross is not a bad guy. He, I went into his 14-day free trial period. I put 15 grand real money, which was my fucking savings. It's big number for me. Okay. And I lost that in about 2 weeks. And why the fuck I did not stop doing that? Why the fuck I did not stop when I saw that it's not working out? Just I kept on going and going and going. And that was even free trial period, bro. I did not even pay him anything. So fuck it, bro. I lost it. I know what I made the mistakes. I know it was just me being just, nonsense, I would say, or just literally, bro. Why would you give so much money in when you are learning something new? I never even traded his strategy. I went just to figure out if it's gonna work out or not. So I understood that yes, I went for, fast money. I wanted to get rich quick, and that just never works. You guys, even if you're starting into trading, understand that you won't be able to make money in 1 or 2 months, maybe not even a year. I'm into this 1.5 year and I am understanding all of these things. I mean, I know theoretically everyone knows that you are not here to make money. You have to understand the charts, you have to, figure out the way doing the analysis and, understand the technicals and all this shit. Theoretically, but practically, you just can't do that. Practically, all your emotions take over. You feel like, okay, I need to make $50 today. If I hold this for $1, I will make it. But who the fuck will look for the downside? You have to always look for the downside. And you know, if it just goes down, because always take into consideration the losses first and then get into the trade based on your stop loss. Go into your position size, go into the accordingly, like position size yourself accordingly, and then figure out what are the levels on the upside, right? Obviously, yeah, before getting into the trade, figure out the levels on the upside. So if you have a good potential upside better than the loss, only then we are going to try this shit. But we don't keep on waiting for the top level because we don't know where it is going to be the top, right? So even if you go 5 10 cents up, 5 10% up, because I won't say 5 10 cents, because in penny stuff 10 cents is a huge move. It depends on the stuff, right? So in penny mania, so what I'm saying is about 5 10% up and you take profits. 100%, yes, these tickers can go because they are low floaters and I'm trading low floaters, and they can easily go 50 100% 1000%. I have seen when the market is hot. But that doesn't mean you keep on waiting for that. When it goes up, take profits on the upside. Take profits on the upside. Take profits on the upside. Maybe 10%, 25% profits. Keep on taking profits. And then when you have runners, which will be 5 to 10% of your original position would be your runners, right? So always keep runners because it can go anywhere upside and you don't. So these are the things that I have learned, that I don't have to keep on focusing on the money factor. I don't have to focus on my emotions. It's 7:30 a.m. right now, I know, and I might uh, put this live stream off and start a new live stream, but I have a podcast in an hour. Yeah, in exactly in an hour. So I might not be trading longer for today, and it's even Friday, not much volume. Again, summary of what I learned. I have to look for, see, I'll also show you on the screen what I keep on looking for, right? Sorry, fuck it. Yeah, there we go. So whenever I see on my, if you guys can fucking see me or not. Yeah, so whenever I see on my these screens, both of the screens, one of the screen is my analyst is going on, the other screen is my regular trading chat going on, okay? And my trading chat, I have the bots, the bots that show me bots that show me where am what are the tickers that are popping, what are the PR news that's coming, and when I see the PR news or a single ticker, then I come here, right? Then I come here and type that shit. For example, Jeepus. So Jeepus, see nothing much, not volume. I just don't even trade it. Like you can see, the float is 8 million and the volume is 1 million, which is not at all nothing. Which I would say it is nothing. That volume, we just don't have the volume, right? And you can even see on the charts that we don't have the volume. So I am not like, okay, this shit, yes, I don't need. If I see something that has no volume but like good thing from from yesterday's after hour, I will keep. This will be on my watch list. GRRR made a nice move. It will be in my watch list. Okay, I'm not deleting this shit. No, it will be in my watch list because it's early pre-market right now. It's not early pre-market. I would say it's 7 a.m., 7:30 a.m. already, but I would keep on looking at it. My last previous after, sorry, yesterday after our movers, and for 4 a.m. pops and all that shit. My, what do you say? For 4 a.m. pop, I have to look at yesterday's after hour movers, right? So yeah, that's the thing. So, and I keep on changing my watch list as well, because on my watch list, when I have 4 a.m., when I trade 4 a.m., which I usually don't, but when I trade, I look for yesterday's after hour movers, the strong ones. When I trade 7 a.m., I look for from 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. movers, and plus 7 a.m. the PR news pops, right? So I keep on looking at all of those things, and obviously, see, the Frankie is like this. There is nothing in Jeepers. Oh wait, I was looking at other kind of Jeepers, I guess. Yeah, you're right. So Jeepers on the Amex, right? Jeepers on the Amex. Yeah, I was like, why did I have Jeepers on my thing? Because it was different Jeepers. So Frankie likes to play these kind of dip buys. Now 250 break, 275, this shit could go 3 and all that shit, right? Which he would say me, but he's going smaller size on this one. Now I have told myself that in pre-market always I will go maximum is my small size. Pre-market maximum is my small size, no matter who comes in, PBT or anyone, right? You getting me? Now for Frankie, TDN, and I hope you can hear me. For Frankie, TDN, and Joyful Word, all of these three guys, they usually buy dip buys. They usually play dip buys, right? Dip plays, which I like it. Which I also like it because they have been most of the time have been going nice. See, right now it's already 10% from what he called out a minute ago, which is nice. But I'm not in. I'm just explaining you guys right now. So for these people, I don't know how to execute those trades so nicely according to what they have been trading, right? Sometimes I don't know when to scale out. Sometimes I don't know when to stop out. They always obviously mention that I'm going in this price, have this stop loss, and these are the profit targets. But I still don't know sometimes when I have to figure out when I have to scale out, when I have to, look for the see on here you can if you can see uh, that this view app rejected. Now I would be waiting for it to go up more and it come down. What if my entry was 243s and just it went up to nice 256? I did not scale out and went down and went down, down, down. I would be holding it until here. It just doesn't work for me. That's what I'm telling, and that's why I want to go small size with Frankie plays, with TDN plays, with Joyful plays. Okay, all three of these, and plus not all of those plays I will be playing. I don't like penny shit. Like that was some penny shit. Wait, what WLGS? What is this, bro? It's not even 10 cents. It's 6 cents. So I won't be playing this shit. I think it was going on yesterday or what was this? Yesterday, not today. Today early pre-market from 4 a.m. Right. One of the things you guys can also see that we are looking at this. If you can see, it's 7:38 a.m. I was telling you guys it's 7:30, but my time is 5:38 a.m. Okay, so I am 2 hours behind. I'm 2 hours behind the regular trading time, trading zone. So when I say if I trade 4 a.m., I'm here waking up at 2 a.m. in the midnight, right? 2 in the midnight, yeah. So, but I'm usually trading 7 a.m. So I'll be here 5 a.m. Actually, I wake up at 4:30 and all that stuff every day. That's my everyday shit. So it's nothing bad. I just making habit of doing that. So BIY is something like getting some volume bouncing off of 200 EMA on 1 minute. I don't see anything is moving right now. Nothing is strong, to be honest. And I'm pretty sure, assuming that this is all because of the Friday and Thursday was off, right? So let's fuck it, bro. I'm just explaining you guys what I look for. Yes. So I was explaining you that, guys. Sorry, I missed that. We have 1 more minute on this, and I'll explain you fast. Let's do this. So when I look at the ticker popping up on my trading chat, when my bot calls it out, and I put the thing ticker in here, for example, hover. Okay, HOVR. I see the chart, I see the float 31 million. 31 million. I usually trade below 10 million float or shares outstanding, whatever you say. And volume should be, I would prefer the volume is over 10 million and all that shit, right? If the volume, sorry, yeah, 10 million over volume, and 100 million volume is crazy. And obviously the volume over a billion is the only guy that's going on. So I look at the volume, I look at the outstanding shares, which is the float, I look at the market cap as well, and I would try to go market cap under, under 10 million and all that stuff. Yeah, under 10 million is what I try to keep. 15 million, 20 million is as well fine. But bro, 50 million market cap and 30 million of float, this is something big for me, right? So just giving you an idea what I look for. Then I look for the charts. I go into the daily, mark my daily 200 EMA, because that would be one of the strong resistance. If I then I look at the charts, then I look for these kind of gaps in the market, you know. Then I look for this kind of gap. Obviously this sticker is already way above this gap right now, so it just doesn't make sense to make this gap. See, it's below here. So what I'm trying to say is, when I see that ticker, I read the PR news. I read the PR news, go on here, and I click the ticker, and read that PR news. There are literally nothing right now. See this WLGS, it was, I would also look for relative volume over 100x. 500x, very good. Over 100x is what I look for, relative volume. I also look if it's a Chinese thing. I'm not pretty sure if it's a Chinese one or not. And if I'm not sure, I go to Finviz. I go WLGS, right? What the fuck? Go WLGS. It's a Hong Kong, and it is into engineering and construction. I also look for shares outstanding 17 million, and then I confirm it here. What the fuck? Oh, WLGS. WLGS. Why? What is this wrong? What is wrong with this? Shares float, it shows me here, shares outstanding and shares float 17.3 million, and it shows here 31 million. Should I be looking at this float in that case? Free float? Oh, I should be looking at free float, bro, not shares outstanding. Fuck it. See, when I explain you guys, I also understand what's wrong, what's not wrong, what's and also this has been happened to me. Like when I see on the chart, like this is something going on nicely, and then I just keep on trading that shit when I know back of the mind that this is not what it's going to work out, but I still keep on playing that. Maybe because I maybe I just don't speak it out loud. That's why it's not in my conscious mind. It's in my subconscious mind, and when it's in my subconscious mind, I don't take uh, uh, informed decisions, right? So that's just shares float I look at. The country I want to look at, because sometimes the Chinese, Singapore, Hong Kong, they are all same kind of thing, which they just pop and dump, right? Wang and Lee Group Inc. Okay, if sorry if I mispronounced it, uh, but yeah, I look at the news. I look at what's going on. See, like this, we have a reverse split. One of 17 reverse split JFBR, and the PR is this. Jeff Brand's Impact Acquisition Receiver Protein. What is this? Flag IL. Now they keep on giving me the short forms. So I go here, JFBR. Okay, that's Israel. Okay, I get it. Oh, nice. Bounced off of at 7 a.m. See right now. AIFF Firefly neuroscience researchers uncover powerful new way. Let me show you in here so you guys can understand it as well. Bro, fuck it. There we go. Powerful new way of objectively measuring Alzheimer patients, like Alzheimer patients and something. Maybe good. Market cap 38 million is a big one. Float is 5.7 million, and I just look for the chart. AIFF, nice, it's popping. Do I have daily charts? Yes. 317 is the 200 EMA, and it already bounced off of that level. So we are already about 380s. Oh, fuck it, bro. This is big move. Yes. Where is my AIFF? AIFF already made 32% of the move. Ah, shit, nice. I could have looked for a small bounce. Okay, this is my entry. I will enter it in my. This is a news pop, so this is what we play differently, not like other tickers. So I'm going in only the starter size. This shit looks scary on 1 minute if you see it here. See that wick off from 420s to 380s. But what the fuck? There we go. I am in. Using 15 seconds chart, I have entered, so around $4 I am in. Stop loss under. This is something news pop. This is not what I trade usually. Okay, I'm just telling you guys. I am in starter size, so I'm not scared of this. I take into consideration the stop I should have. And okay, my entry is 380s, so I'm fine. Actually 390s. Okay, so this is nice. I think I need to scale out on my this pop if it comes now in a second. Okay, go sell. This is not what I trade usually. I'm telling you guys. This is not what I trade usually. I would look for 1 minute clean thing, pull back, and back up. So now this will dip to 350s, it looks like. And I don't know, it can pop also. There we go. Uh, as I told you, it can go to 350s. Was it not clean? 350, 60 dip. Now I could have entered here more, to be honest. But I don't know if it's gonna go up. So what I look for, 1 minute I see if everything is nice. RSI was extended, to be honest, and it was not good. Right. So my entry was supposed to be 340s and stuff on this first pop here. And when it started going up, I could have entered it here. It was very nice. In just about next 10 to 15 seconds, it made nice move about 30%. 10 to 15% move, I would say, which was nice, right? In this low market, this was actually a nice move. So it's not bad, but I entered late, I guess, and I'm waiting for a bigger move from here, which might come, might not come. I can't say anything right now, but I'm holding this until it breaks this level, as I mentioned. Yeah, it until it breaks down this 360 level. Let's see. I will close around 350 or stuff. 350s could be a dip, but I just don't trust myself. Yeah, I will close 350 if it breaks down off of 360 level. Yeah, 390s is my entry, so I'm not scaling out here, but yes, 4 something I will scale out. Let's see, guys. So what I look for is all of these things. Now I saw 7 a.m. there was nothing, to be honest. And right now we are getting PR. Fuck it, bro. What is these kind of shit? Oh, it's an acquisition news, if you can see. Agreed to acquire South Justin Fields and permission vessel, New Mexico, 207 million barrels of original oil in place. 5.3k acres. Oh my god. It's kind of nice news. Float is to 9.4 million, which is not bad. See that? I don't know. I see float everywhere different. Good PR with oil. Yeah, you're right. That guy. It's a good PR with oil thing already going on right now, right? I don't see any level 2, not the volume coming in right now. I mean, volume coming in right now, yes, but I don't see. Uh, I think AIFF, I will close it here. I don't trust this guy because EON are nice news and okay, I closed it. This one, closed it at 383. Right, entry was 388, so it's not a big deal, and it was even a starter size, so fuck it, bro. I closed it before my stop loss was under 360. Now let's see if even if it goes, I'm fine, because I see EONR strong with news, though right now it's not going up crazy. It rejected 55 level also. I don't know why. It's nice PR and it's in oil thingy, but I don't know, bro. So guys, I'll tell you guys. This was about it for this trading period. It's already 6 a.m. I mean, sorry, 8 a.m. and I'll be going out, have my breakfast, and then I have a podcast in half an hour. So I'll just get a little bit, fresh, and I'll have my time. Maybe I'll take a bath, and then so yeah, this was about it. I have to look everything on the chart. I don't usually play these kind of news pops only unless I see something good, and then even then I will go starter size. So as I mentioned, Frankie, TDN, and Joyful, all three, they will always, the maximum size they will have is the small size. Okay, uh, if I show you AIFF, see already down. It did not break 368, but I don't want to play this thing, so there we go. uh, yeah, so I have lotto size, which is 5 shares, starter size 15 shares, small size is 50 shares, 50, and the regular size is 100 shares. That's all I'm going to trade. And whenever I have to take profits, I will take out profits, 25 shares, 25 shares. Okay, now I have 50% positions left, and if I don't see a strong volume push, then I will only keep 25% of my 25% of as my runners. If I see strong, then I will keep 50% as my runners, and then keep on scaling out as it goes up, right? So that's how I plan to play my tickers. And with PBT I will go regular size, but with everyone else I will go maximum small size, and I will always start with the starter size. It's because I want to keep my losses small, and if I see something very strong and good, then I will uh, you know then I will get into the regular size, that too only with PBT and my and something that I'm confident of. Okay, there are some things moving. I am not trading anything right now, but I will keep on updating you guys. I will see you back on Monday. And today I have my podcast in half an hour, and then I have my part-time job, so I'll be doing that. I'm not trading anything right now, or nothing today at all. It will be slow market anyways, and so yes, when we see the ticker, we see the PR, we see the daily chart, we see the EMAs, the bottom indicators, we see the find the levels from daily levels, right, from the daily chart, and then we see if the VWAP, if the price is above VWAP, below VWAP, RSI overextended, and all of these things, right? And then when we execute, we figure out if it's a breakout play, then we gotta go small size maximum, start with the starter size, because I will be waiting for, even after breakout, I will be waiting for small dips, or maybe if it breaks down off of that breakout level as a support, then I will, look for more bigger dips, and only dip buys if I see if it's confident, right? So because breakout plays, if they just come down, knife it, I fuck it, I close it, right? Just fuck it. But usually when the breakout play happens, that breakout level is the support level. So come back to that level and then boof. That usually happens. And I have been playing those a lot. The the if I show you guys, see that. It never went above 390, which was my entry. So it came here and I closed it off, which is nice. Now it's already down to 340s. So see, sometimes when I see that this is not going, it's just fucking not going. I close it off. And only I will be able to take this kind of decision when I'm talking to you guys, when I'm, being informative of myself. Like on the back of the mind, I know this is not going, it made a double top, and I can see that, all of those things, right? But I just don't close it, in maybe in hopes, maybe in making money, maybe because I don't want to take a loss, and it could be anything. But now I understood that not here to make money. I'm here to understand everything in and around the charts, and see the volume, rotation, news, the flow, the ticker, market cap, everything, and the indicators, EMAs, everything. I have to look at it, right? So I don't have to focus on making money. I have to focus on becoming the one who can make money. That was a nice one. I will see you guys again, and I will close off my trading session with that line. I It's not about making money right now. It's about becoming the person who can make money. Be profitable, be disciplined. It's all about being that person. Let's do this, guys. I'll see you again in on Monday, and I'm coming back strong, guys. Fuck it. Coming back strong. You guys can see my BMW coming out. I'll be driving my M4 competition soon. Maybe wait max 4 years. That's it. 5. That's it. Max 4 years I would.